Hello friends, in this video I want to show you simple reason why you should not sell your pie. We heard that some people have started selling their pie and the likes because of the excitement and the likes. They've started selling their pie. I want to show you why you should not sell your pie. Don't sell yet, because there is potential in pie and pie is growing. Pie is growing. Don't sell your pie. Let me show you something. If I open my new tab and I go to coin market cap, so this is coin market cap. Let me just show you something. Click on it. Yes, one first reason why you should not sell your pie. If you look at here trending coins, you can see that pie is number one. Pie is trending, though it's not the highest in terms of value, but you can see pie is trending. Now let me show you another thing. If I click on pie, you can see the value of pie. You can see the value of pie already. Pie is already at $2.73. As at yesterday, it was 1.98, but see now is $2.73. So pie has potential to grow higher, even up to $100 if not more. So you don't have reason to sell your pie, even though if you look at the trend, it was here and dropped, then it's rising again. So it won't come back to zero as some people are speculating. So pie is on the upward trend. So you don't have reason to dispose your pie. Hold on to it. Already is at 2.72. As at yesterday, it was about $1.98. So you can see that pie is on the rise. Now if I come here to trade view, you can see, let me look for pie. Let me search here. Let me search for pie network. So you can see this is pie. You can see the upward trend in pie. So you have no reason to sell your pie just now. Hold on to it because pie has potential to grow. Similarly, if I come back to coin market cap and come to markets, you can see the exchange, you can see the price, you can see the pair, and you can see the price. So showing you that pie has a very high potential to grow up to $100 if not more. So I will suggest that you hold on to your pie because pie has potential to grow. So this is just what I want to show you in this video. Thank you for watching.